Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we got the StreetHunter BRZ that needs to get ready for SEMA. It's a couple days away. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we're a couple weeks out. More like, what is it? What day is it today? Today is the 10th. That means we officially got about 20 days. But the car also has to make it there, so let's take away about 2 days. Two days. So let's say we have 18 days to get this thing ready for SEMA.
Tired.
18 days. 18
days.
Right before 19.
Huh?
Right before 19. And right after 17.
Isn't that like the traditional SOS SEMA stuff, bro? Like,
I think that's why we're
that
SOS.
crunch.
Just like, hey, come to the rescue.
Like that last minute crunch. SOS.
So Shorty over here, he already penetrated.
That's what she said.
He made some holes, huh? Mm-hmm. He already pretty much penetrated all the side skirt. And so what we're gonna end up doing is just panel bonding the side skirt here. So it's gonna be a fixed side skirt altogether. So what we're gonna do is dabble the inside of this side skirt. We've already sanded it for adhesion. And we're gonna layer the whole inside of this side skirt with panel bond. From there, we're gonna drill the self tappers back in here and leave it overnight, and it will get hard and be pretty much one piece after that. And the reason why we're doing that is because we want to fit the pieces of we want to fit the side skirts on the car so they don't move right now. So with double-sided tape and so on and so forth, I feel like it's gonna move, and we really want it to be stable so we can do our body work so everything lines up. So Shorty's gonna be panel bonding both side skirts together today. Tomorrow, we will go ahead and start assembling them back on the car, do the body work around the fenders, and do the body work around the 1/4 panel extension that we have. We're still waiting for the other side. Morning guys. Morning coffee. Everybody's chipper today, guys. So Jose, he's finishing up the start of the 4th day, and we're going on to the bumper today, right?
No, I gotta do this.
You gonna do that one?
Okay. May not do this.
Okay. All right. So Kevin's over here finishing up what he can on the bumper. Jose's gonna pretty much finish up this bottom portion right here. We've already panel bonded the side skirt, so it's all one piece. It's all fused. It's a fusion. Body work is done on this panel, so we're looking good there. Renee is over here, doggy style. What up?
Aquí está.
And we got both already on there, fused together, and it's actually fitting pretty good without any real body work. But I think Renee's gonna make it perfect, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ya que estás ahí, no?
Simón.
Okay. Ready and willing. That's what I like about the team. That they're always ready and willing to give a hand or a leg or some cheeks, right?
We're always handy.
We're always handy.
We're always handy.
Always doing strangers and everything, right?
Yeah. Hold on. What is a stranger for the people that don't know?
A stranger, there's a couple forms of a stranger, right? So you could do, did you know that you could do a stranger with your right hand as well?
Is it stranger danger?
No, so a stranger is that when you go with the opposite hand of that you usually use, you know? Or you can sit on the hand that you usually use until it goes numb and use that. That's a whole different technique. But anyway, we've digressed.
The next day.
Alright, so it was a successful day today. We got pretty much most of the car blocked out. Then we went ahead and put another guide coat on it, wet sanded it, and it's probably ready for a light coat of primer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the kit and see what's left. Alright guys, so we've already wet sanded this all the way up to 400 grit. What you're seeing now on the panels is a little bit of, we call it glaze, and this is just to fill some of the small pinholes. This is in some of the areas that we did body work in. Sometimes if you use Bondo, you get a little bit of pinholes. And we've also broke into some of the Marglass and Bondo in some of the areas that we blocked out. And so for that reason that we are gonna go ahead and give it another coat of primer, but this time we're just gonna be very light with it. We're gonna primer a couple coats in these areas that we broke through, but everything else is just gonna be a very light coat of primer. Pretty much just some material so we can hit it with 400 and 600, and 600 should be good enough to go ahead and paint this stuff. So tomorrow we're going to concentrate on finishing up what is the front clip and the whole driver side, the side skirt, and the over fender. Those have already been pretty much blocked out and wet sanded as well. We have the side skirt over here. It has already been molded. We've done all the body work in here, and so we're just blocking it out one more time. Gonna go ahead and wet sand it and get it ready just in case it needs a little bit more primer. But this is pretty much gonna be like a one-piece side skirt now. This is the OEM side skirt here, and this is the rest of the aftermarket side skirt. So the carbon fiber diffuser that goes on the back side should really give it some much needed support. Plus we have all the factory mounting points except for the one that goes right here in the middle, and it's still using all the factory mounting clips, plus the diffuser should give us plenty of stability on this part. All right, we finally got the last piece of the puzzle. It's here. That means Shorty gotta get on Bodywork right away. Alright guys, now that everything has been primered approximately 2 to 3 times, it is time to really get that last push into paint today. All right guys, so pretty much 1 day away from when the car has to be from where it has to be, you know, and TJ just pulled up. Got a little merch for him. This is something that we've been saying for years, kind of got him accustomed to, you know, the Mexican culture and stuff like that. And you know what, he's a pretty good Spanish speaker, like at least he tries, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and surprise him with our newest merch. But here it is. It's the Valio Pino special. If you guys been here from the very beginning, you guys know it's just something that we say. And down here it says SOS in Japanese. This is my bug that just recently got sold. That's another episode, but King Chach has arrived. Chach has touched down stateside. Konnichiwa, bitches. What'll teach? I got you something, man.
Okay. What did you get me? I got you something.
Something that, you know, you've been rocking with us for a while, Teach, and you've been part of the OGs here at SOS. You know,
I am an OG.
Yeah, you are. I'll give you that, bro.
I'm a huge,
you know,
I'm a huge OG.
Yeah. You've been, but this is something that if you're OG, you know, like what's good. And I'm not, you know what's good, you know, and it's about that time. It's SEMA time.
Oh my God, that's pretty. Oh wow.
And you know, since you went to Japan, you know, that, what does that say? Since you went to Japan.
Oh, I only know kanji. I can't read that.
Yeah, that says SOS, baby.
Does it really? That's sweet.
Yeah, that's my little bug, and that's me, and that's my brother. And you know, Valio P is like something, you know, can go wrong, and that's my bug broken down on the side of the road.
That's hilarious.
You know? But we in paradise, you know, so.
I love it. So, I love it. Thank you.
I thought you would understand more than anyone, you know.
That saying was deep in my heart. I got you something.
Oh shit! What?
It's not much, but I did get people gifts.
It's the thought that counts.
That's what I got you.
Oh,
I've seen you wear pins in front of your hats before, so now I was like looking. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, I get people candy, and I saw pins, and I was like, hey.
Nah, this is cool, man.
So I brought a little piece of Japan.
There you go.
It's 4 yen right there.
There you go.
400 yen. Look at that.
Damn.
I spent $400 on you.
Did you?
Yeah.
Damn.
You like that?
You could have just bought me a hooker, but you know, I'm cool with that.
I could, but I couldn't take it on the plane.
Oh, you can. They fit in the suitcase.
Oh, you're right.
Japanese women are kind of small.
You could just shove them in the suitcase.
Freaking dude, this thing is coming out mental, man. The whole team's here. Everyone's been working on it all day, man. I can't say enough about the team, because without the team, like, none of this would happen, man. All the team that worked on this car, everyone, every single person, and even everyone else that was working on all the other cars here just to keep us going. Like, the whole team nailed it. It's amazing. It's time for a celebratory shot.
For him, no más.
No más.
Give me another cup. Give me another cup. No, give me another cup. Toma. No, para Juan, güey, para Juan.
Hey, Tuan!
Hey, Tuan!
Hurry up! This is me on the phone so I can yell that.
All right, guys. So
You got yours?
this is a big congratulations to the whole team here at SOS Customs, and everyone just came out to help. Really appreciate you guys. Let's keep doing this shit, man, baby. Let's go.
Thank you
SOS
guys.
Customs.
Really appreciate you guys.
Love you guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hasta el fondo y para adentro.
All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap up today's video series on the BRZ. The next time you guys will see this thing is gonna be at the SEMA show. Today is Sunday. It literally just left today in the morning, and it's on its way to Vegas. You guys will see it first here on our channel on Tuesday. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe and notification button, because we have a couple builds that we're gonna be showing off on our channel within the next couple of days, showing off here at the SEMA show. So go ahead and give us a follow on IG. We're always on our IG mostly, so if you guys have any questions, just hit us up in the DMs, or you guys want to have some questions or stuff that you guys want to see on the channel. That's probably the best way to get a hold of us. So thank you guys again so much for watching. This is our new drop, the Valio Pito drop. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you guys know what that's about. If you don't, let me give you a brief explanation. Valio Pito, in the literal sense, I probably wouldn't say it on camera, but in the slang term, it kind of means like shit's fucked, or it's fucked up, or it's going bad. But usually we kind of say that to put humor around a bad situation, because sometimes things go wrong, and there's really nothing you can do but kind of laugh and move on. So that's kind of just something that we have a saying that at the shop. So this is really just to commemorate us at the shop, and you guys being a part of that and seeing everything that happens, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. So thank you guys again. This week we have a lot of videos to get to, so this is bye for now, and we will see you guys at the SEMA show. Thank you. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.